How to add multi-language on WordPress. So hello everyone, welcome to our channel WebWiz, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to add multi-language function on your WordPress website. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the WordPress right on the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So now, as you can see, I'm on my website already, and if I go to my dashboard right here, you can see a bunch of functions. So I'm just going to my website right here. So I'm going to show you there are two ways in order to add a multi-language function on your WordPress or any website you want. So the only downside is that the other method is paid method. So in order to do that, you need to pay for a premium subscription of WordPress. So this one, I'm going to show you the first or the easiest one in order to add multi-language on WordPress. Not just WordPress. You can also do this on other websites like Facebook, like YouTube, any website on Google, you can do this because this is a Google method. So you will use the Google Chrome function in this one. So this is how we're going to do it. So first, what you're going to do is to right click anywhere on the page. So as you can see, after that, you will see this option, translate in English. Just click this one. And after you click this three dots right here, you can see that you can choose another language. And you can choose any language that you want. You can add it on your Chrome, and after that, as you can see, if you click that, the page itself will translate it to that language. And as you can see, if you click Google or YouTube or other website, as you can see, for example, YouTube, as you can see, it's not applied to them. So it only applies on the website that you chose to change the language. So as you can see, you'll need to change it again on the Chrome function. And also, you can add more if you want. For example, I'm just going to change this one to Chinese. And so you can see all the text has been, translated to Chinese, and some of them. And that's it. So as you can see by looking at it, you already know what the downside is, right? So with this method, it only applies in your PC. It will not apply to the people that will visit your website. So they need to do this one. And this function will only be applied on, I think, on Windows, or I think you need to have a updated Google Chrome in order to do this, method. So for the people that visit your website and doesn't have an updated Google Chrome, I think they cannot do this one. So the only way to be flexible to make your website, multi-language website function applicable to everyone without, updating the Google Chrome is by inserting plugins. So this is the downside. Inserting plugins in WordPress requires premium version. So you need to pay for a premium version in order to insert plugins. So for example, you have a plugin. So what you're going to do is to simply search for a multi-language plugin on the search bar. So if you see this one, think if you search multi-language, there's many results. So let's enter. So as you can see right here, there are many multi-language plugins that you can, insert on your WordPress. And after that, after you, just insert your plugin, just save your WordPress website. And that should be applicable now to all visitors or all people that visit your website. And they can change the language of your website, freely without, editing the Chrome language. So as you can see, if I try to click the upgrade, it shows you what the plugins is. So as you can see, installing plugins is a premium feature, and unlock the ability to install this and 50,000 other plugins by upgrading to the business plan for 1,900 pesos per month. So pesos per month, in dollars, that should be $40, almost $40 per month. So it's quite expensive for per month payment. So as you can see, that's only you can do if you want to make your website multi-language on your website flexible. So because if you don't have this one, and some people, or if you don't have an updated version of Google Chrome, and you can do this one. You can translate any website on Google Chrome. So I'm just going to show you how to update your Google Chrome. You can search it on Google. So I'm just going to add a new tab and search for a Google Chrome update or how to update Google Chrome. I think if you have Google Chrome, the update should be automatic, right? So let's check. So I oh, why did I search Windows 11? Okay, let's list this one. Just add a new tab again. Search on Google Chrome update. Then just Google Chrome, download Google Chrome today and click this one, how to update Google Chrome. And what they say is, on your computer, open Chrome at the top right, look at more and click help, then about Chrome, and right there you will see the infos of your updates. And as you can see, as I said earlier, if you have a Google Chrome, that your Google Chrome should be updated automatically because they have an automatic update function on Google Chrome. And that's it. That's how you update Google Chrome. And for example, if you're using Mac or other devices that doesn't support Google Chrome, I think you will have a hard time doing this method. So the only way left to do is to purchase the plugin for $40 per month. And it's quite expensive compared to other, editing website. Compared to Wix website, Premium Wix or Shopify, yeah, this WordPress is pretty expensive for some people. And that's it. That's all you can do. And I hope you learned something from this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.